What is a felony charge, and what happens after arrest? Imagine being taken into custody for a serious crime. What happens next can seem confusing and overwhelming. Knowing the steps and your rights can make a big difference. A felony charge means you are accused of committing a very serious crime. These crimes include murder, armed robbery, drug trafficking, manslaughter, and serious fraud. They are called felonies because they can lead to more than 1 year in prison, or even life in prison, or the death penalty in extreme cases. Felonies are classified into different categories based on how serious they are. The most severe are called Class A felonies, which can result in life imprisonment or the death penalty. Less serious felonies, like Class B or C, still carry long prison terms but are less harsh. The exact penalties depend on the state or federal laws involved. After your arrest for a felony, several important steps take place. First, you go through booking at the police station. This involves recording your personal details, taking fingerprints and photographs. You might stay in jail until your court date. Next, you appear before a judge in what is called an arraignment. The judge tells you the charges against you and explains your rights. You can ask for a lawyer at this point. Bail may be set, which allows you to leave jail until your trial, or you might be held without bail if the judge decides it's necessary. A preliminary hearing or a grand jury review the evidence. The goal is to decide if there is enough evidence to move forward with a trial. During this time, the prosecution presents evidence, and you or your lawyer can challenge it. If the case proceeds, you will have the chance to plead guilty or not guilty. If you plead not guilty, the case moves to trial. Both sides gather evidence and prepare witnesses. The trial is where a judge or jury examines all the evidence to decide if you are guilty or innocent. If found guilty, the judge will set a sentence. The sentence depends on the felony class, your criminal history, and other factors. It could include prison time, fines, probation, or other penalties. Knowing your rights after an arrest is very important. You have the right to remain silent so you do not accidentally say something that could hurt your case. You also have the right to a lawyer. The police must inform you of the charges against you and give you a chance to challenge the evidence. Understanding what happens after a felony arrest helps you make informed choices and protect your legal rights throughout the process.